Okay, so to do this assignment, you will need the Kami Chrome Web extension. So to get that, either go to the Apps button if you have that in your top left corner, or you can just Google Chrome Web Store. Make sure that you have extensions selected and type in Kami, K-A-M-I. Should be the top one that comes up. I've already got it, but you'll need to hit Add to Chrome, and it should put in a little purple K in the top right hand corner once you have it, and then go back and open up your PDF file, and you'll need to open in a new window. From there, it'll give you the option at the top, open with, and select Kami. It'll ask you a bunch of questions the first time you open it up. Just say yes, and as long as you're making sure that you're logging in through your TPS 501 email account, then it should be fine. And so to answer questions on this assignment, you'll go to text box and then click where you want to type your answers. You'll type in your response to each question, and then when you're ready to turn in the assignment to Google Classroom, you will not hit save, you'll hit download. Make sure you've got Google Drive selected. Make sure you always have with all annotations selected. Give this a name. And hit begin export. Takes a couple seconds there, and go ahead and hit open Google Drive to make sure that you've got it that it copied properly, and I see my gibberish answers, so I know that it did. And then to turn it in, go back to the classroom post, and where it gives you those two options, add or create, hit add, select Google Drive, and then select your file from your Google Drive and hit turn in, and that's it.